Ayaw pa rin pong pag-usapan ni Senador Joker Arroyo kung bakit idinadawit ni Jun Lozada ang kanyang asawa. Pero merong nagpaliwanag para sa kanila. Nagpapatrol Maricar Bautista.
Kung sabi nyo na bad faith yung kinausap ko si Senator Lacson, nakausap ko rin yung asawa nyo eh.
Don't mess around with my wife.
Nag-init ang ulo ni Senador Joker Arroyo kay Jun Lozada kahapon nang idawit na star witness sa usapan ang kanyang asawa. Hanggang ngayon, ayaw itong pag-usapan ng senador.
Because it was uncalled for. No, I don't want to talk about that. That is a private matter and I don't want anyone to talk about it.
Hindi na naituloy ni Lozada ang sasabihin kahapon ng magalit na ang senador. Pero sa isang exclusive interview ni Corina Sanchez, sinabi ni Lozada na inimbitahan siya ng asawa ng senador sa kanilang bahay at pinayuhang huwag tumestigo sa Senado.
You mentioned that his wife called you up.
No.
Senator Arroyo.
No. They invited me to go to their home in Dasmariñas Village. And end of that meeting, Mrs. Arroyo told me and advised me not to appear, not to speak in the Senate anymore.
Pero sa interview ng DZMM kay Tony Abaya, nilinaw niyang hindi inimbitahan ng mga Arroyo ang star witness, kundi isinama lamang niya si Lozada para humingi ng legal opinion sa asawa ng senador na isang abogada. Si Abaya ay isa sa mga nilapitan ni Secretary Romulo Neri upang tulungan si Lozada.
Actually, si Jun ang kumakausap sa kanya. I want to clarify this because he was never invited by the Arroyos nor by Feli. I was the one who initiated the meeting. And I initiated the meeting because we were seeking help. So I want to clarify that aspect. Jun and Neri were seeking help.
Okay.
We were seeking help. And that's why, huwag sanang madamay dito si Joker. Dahil una-una, yung mag-asawa, professional yung dalawa. They respect each other. Na pag may kliyente si Feli na hindi niya sabihin kay Joker, hindi niya sabihin.
Suhestyon ng iba, mag-inhibit si Arroyo sa pagdinig sa kaso ni Lozada. Para kay Senador Ping Lacson, depende na raw yan kay Arroyo. Pero humirit pa rin si Lacson.
He should follow the lead of Senator Angara, no? Kasi Senator Angara inhibited himself simply because si Attorney Binluan acted as the lawyer for the ZTE. Si Binluan, law partner ni Senator Angara. So I think he should follow the lead of Senator Angara.
Muling nahalal si Arroyo bilang senador sa tulong ng kanyang TV ad na pagbad ka, lagot ka. Pero wala raw karapatan ng sino mang husgahan siya ngayon at sabihing bad siya.
No, why will I inhibit?
So, there's no basis, sir?
Wala naman yan eh. You should explain that. You can imagine, his assertion that I inhibit, oh no way.
Maricar Bautista, Patrol.